In this video, I'm going to show you two ways to solve the differential equation x dot plus 2x is equal to 20. The first way is going to be separate and integrate in a similar approach that you would probably find in a differential equation class. The second approach is going to be using this table that you see right here. We're going to focus on this first order entry in the table. So let's get started with separating and integrating. If we look at this equation, x dot plus 2x is equal to 20, with an initial condition x at time 0 is equal to 3, we can rewrite this as dx dt plus 2x is equal to 20. Now, our goal is to make all the x's on one side of the equation and all the t's on the other side of the equation. To do this, I'm going to subtract over the 2x, so I have dx dt is equal to 20 minus 2x. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by dt, so I get dx is equal to 20 minus 2x times dt. And I'm going to divide this term over to the dx. So I get dx over 20 minus 2x is equal to dt. All right, now all my x's are on one side, all my t's are on the other, and what I can do is I can integrate my equation. Now, I like to involve my initial conditions here. This is my side of time, so I know that at time of 0, x is equal to 3. At time of t, x is equal to some value of x that we don't know. So that's how I find my bounds of integration. Now I can integrate, and I'm actually going to use this table that you see, or this entry of a table that you see right here, that helps me integrate 1 over ax plus b. Now my a is this minus 2x term. So when I integrate, I get 1 over minus 2 times the natural log of minus 2x plus 20. And here we have to evaluate this, and we will, from 3 to x. Now this is going to be equal to this. Well, this one's really easy, right? This is really a 1. So this is t, and this is going to be evaluated from 0 to t, and really this just becomes t, right? T minus 0 is just equal to t. Okay, so let's deal with this side, the algebra of this side. So minus 1/2 times the natural log of minus 2x plus 20. So I've put x in for x. Subtract, well, a minus 1/2, that's going to be plus 1/2 times the natural log of minus 2 times 3 plus 20 is equal to t. Well, this is just 14. Okay. So we know that that's 14. So we can rewrite this. Let's multiply by a minus 2 to get rid of this. So we'll have the natural log of minus 2x plus 20 minus the natural log of 14, because we multiply by a minus 2, and this is a positive 2, is equal to minus 2t. All right, we're going to continue our work up here. So, so what we have, we can move the natural log to the other side. So we'll have the natural log of minus 2x plus 20 is equal to minus 2t plus the natural log of 14. And this is where we want to get it. At this point, we can exponentiate both sides. When we exponentiate both sides, we do a little bit of algebra, and this becomes minus 2x plus 20 is going to be equal to e to the minus 2t plus the natural log of 14. Okay? Because this plus, we can rewrite this side of the equation, e to the minus 2t times e to the natural log of 14. Great. E to the natural logs will cancel. So this will be equal to 14e to the minus 2t. And on this side, we still have minus 2x plus 20. Now we want to solve for x. So what we can do, we can say, all right, let's minus 2x is equal to 14e to the minus 2t minus 20. X is equal to minus 7e to the minus 2t plus 10 because we divided by a minus 2. And this is our answer. That is our solution to this differential equation when we separated and we integrated. Now I'm going to show you we can get the same answer by using this table. So using this table, a couple of things we have a couple of things as a requirement. The first thing is we have our terms in this order. So x dot plus ax is equal to b. We are in our equation is set up correctly. We have x dot, no coefficient in front of the x dot. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 20. We get that from whatever the coefficient in front of our x is and whatever on the other side of the equal sign. And a is not equal to 0, so that's good. Okay, our solution is over here. It's right here. So x of t is equal to b divided by a, 20 divided by 2, so 10, plus c, e to the minus a to the minus 2 times t. Really similar to this equation right here. We just need to figure out, we need to get that minus 7. And we do that by solving for this constant. To solve for the constant, we need to use our initial condition. We need to use that x of 0 is equal to 3. So x of 0 is equal to 10 plus c e to the minus 2 times 0, which is equal to 3. Well, e to the 0 is 1. So we get c is equal to 3 minus 10. C is equal to minus 7. That's great. Now we can put our constant back into this equation, and we get x of t is equal to 10 minus 7 e to the minus 2t. Now, they're in a different order, but these two expressions are the same. 10 minus 7 e to the minus 2t. So we solve this in two ways. We solve this by separation and integration. We solved it by using the table method. As you can see, if you can use the table method, use this table, it solves the equations a lot faster. It can save you some time. So spend some time trying to work different equations using both these methods.